Are you missing something each year with tracking your finances? Let's get real. Do you have a regular financial action plan? Hi, I'm Zacc Call, the president of Capita Financial Network, a wealth advisor and a financial educator. Welcome to the Zacc Call Money Education YouTube channel. If you're new here, our YouTube channel exists for one purpose: to help you make smart financial decisions in a clear, organized, and confidence-building way. Everything we publish is designed to cut through the noise and give you practical steps you can take. No overwhelm, no jargon. On this channel, you'll find structured financial education. I'm excited to introduce a new weekly program, Your Best Financial Year. Your Best Financial Year is a simple, actionable system to guide you through weekly financial tasks, covering the 8 major planning categories that matter most: cash flow, debt management, retirement, investments, taxes, insurance, estate planning, and general wealth. Each week, you'll get one focused task. That's all you need to do, just one per week. Because real financial progress isn't about doing everything all at once. It's about regularly doing just a little bit. Think of this series as a weekly reminder to stay organized, build real momentum, and remember each topic throughout the year. If you want to join us for the journey and have your best financial year, sign up for the weekly reminder newsletter and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will help you with video explanations, free tools, and resources. This intro will stay pinned at the top of the YouTube playlist, so whenever you're ready, keep watching to start your best financial year. And thank you for being here. Let's get started.